I want to say that in Estonia, products which are produced by the nature must be free. I agree with Jose Mujica. There should not be wealthy men in power. The person whose life purpose is earning money will hardly create something outstanding, but he will turn the country into a continuous trade stall. Estonia, having gained independence, has a chance to construct another society. But what has it constructed? A labor camp in which people work for a minimum wage, a society with inequality, irrational use of resources. I constantly receive advertising of goods and I throw it out even without reading. Hypermarkets spend money for advertising of bowls, pans, means of cleaning toilets, shining sticks, and for the sake of this garbage, words are destroyed and the environment is polluted. Isn't it necessary to forbid all advertising except electronic? Annually, hypermarkets of Estonia throw out products which cost 25 million euros while there are people who undereat. And no one cares about this cynicism and beastliness. Nobody except the allocentric political party of Estonia wants to oblige hypermarkets to give away goods to poor people. Some of them even manage to sell pies with the expired storage duration at a discount. Greed doesn't know limits. I think about a video where a private restaurant, of course not Estonian, set a refrigerator on the street and each person in need could take food from there free of charge. How magnanimous. Each person should have enough to eat. Food is not a privilege, but a human right which should be guaranteed by the state. The person should not work for the sake of food and for food. Everything that the earth, the nature gives should be free. Flour, vegetables, fruit, milk, eggs, meat. Wealthy men aren't concerned by the problems of the poor. Therefore, the rich should not be in power because they won't solve problems of citizens or build a society of a new type. Philosophers should be in power, real philosophers. Deputies should work for a minimum wage as well as most of Estonian citizens. Only when deputies are personally interested in increasing minimum wage, something will move off dead center. Thank you for your attention. Please follow me and comment this video.